So, good morning. I think today, beautiful day, man, I can feel the warmth already. So today might be a good day to start working on this stove. I can feel the warmth coming from the sun, so let's go ahead and try to unlock this thing here. The other way around. Oh, here we go. Kind of hard to videotape and do things one-handed here. Okay. Yeah. So since I don't have the wood burner hooked up, I gotta go ahead and plug this into the 120. It's 1500 watt ceramic heater. But here we go. Let's get this warmed up. And oh, look at this. Wow. It is condensation in here. Yeah. So let's get it warmed up and get it going again here. This is what I'm doing today. So let's do this. Okay. Nice and warm out. So yeah. And there's the ladder. Got the pipes in the house, and let's do this. Okay, here we are. I am getting there. This is a project that's almost getting near to the completion. Out here. Oh, there you go. And we got the cap inside there. I just have to do some sealing and all kinds of other stuff, and look how pretty that is. Yeah, cool. All right, looking cool. Yeah, man.